Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You want results fast. Sign into your account and confirm the controller and headset or HDMI are connected. Once done, press the Xbox button to open the guide, then navigate to Profile and System and Settings. Next, choose General and open Volume and Audio Output. This area is where master levels, headset volume, TV/AV output, and chat/game mixes live. Start here because it centralizes every control you'll adjust in the following steps and ensures changes apply system-wide. Now you'll balance what you hear versus others. In volume and audio output, set headset volume to a comfortable baseline, then adjust the party chat/game mix so voices aren't drowned by game audio. Choose a headset format, Windows Sonic, Dolby Atmos, or stereo, because different formats affect perceived loudness and clarity. If you use TV or AV receiver, select HDMI audio and pick bitstream or stereo output to match your device. These choices determine noise floor, dynamic range, and how channel blending affects volume perception. Finish by testing. Join a party or play with sound-heavy scenes and listen for balance issues. Make small tweaks to the chat/game mixer and headset volume until dialogue, effects, and music sit correctly. Save this as your everyday setup or note settings for quick reapply. If volumes behave erratically, restart the console, check headset inline volume and controller battery, and verify HDMI/optical cables are seated. If problems persist, reconnect the headset or try another controller to isolate hardware from software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.